Okay, so quick look at widgets. So depending on your theme may well have a sidebar over here on the right. And widgets go into sidebars, and you'll see I've got two here, a search widget and a recent post widget. And let me just show you those. So those are managed from, if I hover over my site title and click onto widgets, here they are. So now you can manage your widgets. It's in what's called the WordPress customizer. You don't have to do it this way. There's another way to do it, which I'll show you quickly. So if I go now back to my dashboard, and you'll see appearance and widgets. So this is where they're also managed. This is probably easier for you to understand and clearer to work with, in my view. And you'll see on the left, here's my available widgets. These are the areas of your theme that you can put widgets into. And you'll see here's my two widgets in my sidebar at the moment. So let me just go back to my site and show you that. Here we are, here's my two widgets, a search widget and recent posts. And there they are currently in the sidebar. So to get rid of them, you can literally just drag them across. And if I go back here and refresh this page, you'll see they've gone from here. To add them back, you can either just drag them in there, like so. You can reorder them once they're in there as well. And then go back to your site and refresh it, and you'll see we've got some widgets in the sidebar. So widgets are really, really useful. Very easy to use. You see we've got these other widget areas here that these are specific to this theme, or to any theme you're working with will have different widget areas, and you can drag them between widget areas. So I've just dragged search into what they call the header widget area, which actually is here for this theme. Okay, so that's how you use widgets. You've got available widgets here. Sometimes plugins will add widgets for you to use. And the final one I'll show you is this text widget. This is a very useful one. Text widgets you can put text into, so you can just literally type stuff, which is semi-interesting. But you can also put HTML in them. So for example, we're going to put a Google map in there. So lots of sites will give you HTML that you can then use on your website. So here we are at Google Maps. Once you're here, you can put a postcode in to actually choose the map. But I'm happy with that. To get this on your site, you click on the little icon up here, then click share or embed, then click embed. We're almost at the point we want. Just click small here, and here's our HTML highlighted for us. Just copy that, paste that into the content area here, save it. Now go back to your site, reload it, and you'll see we've got a nice map over in the right hand sidebar now. So that's a quick look at widgets. Very, very easy to use, hopefully.